This is me, Muhammad Fikri Ashraf bin Sori. And this is Muhammad Haikal bin Muhammad Nazaruddin. And last but not least, ni Muhammad Rafiki bin Muhammad Irwan. Let's get started. Already there watching the video? So, have you ever wondered how fast the car is going exactly at this moment? That's where calculus and differentiation come in. Let's break it down. Now, I will explain about differentiation. Differentiation is all about finding the instantaneous rate of change. It is also a method of finding derivative of a function. So, what is derivative? Derivative is all about finding the slope. As you can see in the table here, this is how we solve the differentiation of constant, linear and functions. Let's move to the basic, which is constant. If we have fs equal to c, the derivative will become 0 because constant don't change, so the rate change is 0. The second one is linear. If we have fs equal to ax plus b, the derivative will become a. It is because the slope of a straight line stays constant and the slope is a. And last but not least is power function. If we have power function like fs equal to x power by n, we use what calls power rule. So the derivative will become nx power by n minus 1. This rule is super useful and we'll use it a lot in calculus. Let's move to the next part, which is derivative of sums. So if you have two functions like fx and gx, then the derivative of their sum will be like this. So we just take the derivative of each function separately and then add them. The second one is derivative of a differences. Similarly, if you are subtracting two functions like this, again take the derivative individually and subtract. Let me give an example. If fx equal to x squared plus 3x, then the derivative will be like this. So remember, first you differentiate each term one by one. Next, keep the same operation, whether it's a plus or a minus. Let's move to the third technique, which is product rule. So this is the formula. Let me explain about the steps. First, find the differentiation. Second, find u and u prime. Third, find v and v prime. After that, you can apply it into the formula. And yeah, that is how to use the product rule. Let's go through with the last technique, which is quotient rule. Let's say we have two functions, which is u is the function of numerator and v is the function of denominator. This is where the quotient rules come in. And this is the formula. We will go through step by step. First, find the derivative. Second, apply the quotient rule. Third, simplify. And that's our derivative.
Now we're going to start with question 2a. We will split it into 2fx equal to cotx, gx equal to e to the power of 2x, x to the power of 4. And we will search for the f prime x equal to negative cosec 2. F prime gx equal to negative cosec 2, e to the power of 2x, x to the power of 4. And then we will split the gx into 2. U equal to e to the power of 2x, u prime equal to 2e to the power of 2x, v equal to x to the power of 4, v prime equal to 4x to the power of 3. Now we use product rule. dy dx equal to e to the power of 2x, 4x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 4 to e to the power of 2x. And then we will simplify it. It will become fx to the power of 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2x to the power of 4 e to the power of 2x. We will factorize it and it will become dy dx equal to 2x to the power of 3 e to the power of 2x 2 plus x. And then we will use chain rule. It will become negative cosec 2 e to the power of 2x x to the power of 4 times 2x to the power of 3 e to the power of 2x 2 plus x. And then for the final answer, it will become dy dx equal to negative 2x to the power of 3 e to the power of 2x, x plus 2, cosec 2 e to the power of 2x, x to the power of 4.
Let's go with question B. So u equal to 2x minus 1 and u prime equal to 2 and v equal to ln 4x and v equal, we simplify, equal to 1 over 4x, and for v prime equal to 1 over 4x times with 4, and for the last v prime equal to 1 over x. And then we use the quotient rule, so we just apply it. It will equal to ln 4x multiplied with 2 minus 2x minus 1 multiplied with 1 over x, and then divide by ln 4x square. For the final answer equal to 2 ln 4x minus with 2 plus 1 over x divided by ln 4x square. That is the final answer.
Next, for question 3, we will divide it into 4 parts: A, B, C, and D. We begin with A. A equal to y power of 2 sin x, and we will use product rule. U equal to y power of 2 u prime equal to 2y dy dx. Next, v equal to sin x and v prime equal to cos x. Next, we will insert it into the formula: y power of 2 cos x plus sin x 2y dy dx. And a prime will be y power of 2 cos x plus 2y dy dx sin x. For b equal to e power of 2 minus 3x, and b prime will be negative 3e power of 2 minus 3x. And for c equal to ln y over x, and it will be ln y minus ln x. And c prime will be 1 over y dy dx minus 1 over x. And for d equal to 3x, and d prime will be 3. Next, we will put the equation y power of 2 cos x plus 2y dy dx sin x minus negative 3e power 2 minus 3x and equal to 1 over y dy dx minus 1 over x minus 3. Next, we will arrange the equation by putting the dy dx to the left side. 2y dy dx sin x minus 1 over y dy dx minus 1 over x equal negative y power of 2 cos x minus 3e power of 2 minus 3x minus 1 over x minus 3. Next, negative y power of 2 cos x minus 3e power of 2 minus 3x minus 1 over x minus 3, and divide by 2y sin x minus 1 over y. And that's all for question 3.
And for the last question, which is question 4. New value equal to 80.97, initial equal to 81. Then dx equal to 80.97 minus 81, which is, it will become negative 0.03. And then we will do the fs. Fs equal to ln x minus 1 over x source of 4. And then fs equal to, you will derive it and it will become fs equal to ln x minus x to the power of negative 1 over 4. Then we will change x to 81. It will become ln 81 minus 81 to the power of negative 1 over 4. It will become 4.394449. And then for the f prime s equal to 1 over x plus 1 over 4x to the power of negative 5 over 4. And then we will change s equal to 81. So f prime s equal to 1 over 81 plus 1 over 4, 81 to the power of negative 5 over 4. And it will become 1 over 81 plus 1 over 4 multiply with 1 over 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 5 over 4. And the answer is negative 0.01337. And then we will use the formula fx, and then we will put both answer into formula. It will become 4.39449 plus 0.01337 multiply with negative 0.03. The final answer is 4.394048.